Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Don't really need to make this video. I could have just told the gentleman. But he wants to cut out this yellow box, and he's tried back minus front, doesn't work. He's tried front minus back, that does nothing. And he thinks he used to be able to do that with earlier versions of Corel. You could power clip this, but I don't like power clipping. If you will just select both items, two objects selected, and go right here to the Intersect tool, and what the Intersect tool does is takes out that, and you could, if you nudge, let's make it worth the video. Let's see how big this is. 8 inches. Let's set our nudge factor on 10. And then if you nudge when you intersect, you can nudge your line over and your object, and you could keep your line if you needed to put a red hairline around it to cut it out. So the Intersect tool is the best way to do it. Now, I'm going to go over power clip just because I didn't really need to make this video. And I do not like power clip. There's a couple of times when you could use it, but if you go to object and power clip, place inside frame, and well, I need to select this first. I'm going to make this red so we can see it. So you select, I had another intersect there. So select that, go up to object, power clip, place inside frame, and then tell it where to put it. It'll put it in there. The reason I don't like it, I've had people tell me that it does sometimes print outside the line. I'm not a printer. And the other reason I don't like it is you've lost your pattern. With the Intersect tool, you intersect it and you still have your pattern to do a different shape, and it's still there. So you could do a circle. He evidently fills in with black. You could do a circle, intersect, and there is your intersect of a circle. Anyway, I hope that helped him, and thank you for watching.